Welcome back to Healthy Eating and Home Remedies channel. Today we will talk about ginger mint detox smoothies. This smoothie is full of anti-inflammatory ingredients such as romaine lettuce, cucumber, coconut water, ginger, lime, and mint. Cucumber. Cucumber is rich in antioxidants that can reduce the risk of many of chronic diseases. Because of its richness of water, cucumber is an excellent source of hydration. Plus its richness of water, cucumber is low in calories, which can help with managing your weight. Recently they found that cucumber peel can help decreasing blood sugar level. Romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is rich in vitamin C, K, and A, along with folate, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Coconut water. Coconut water is a good source of vitamin C as well as various important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Coconut water has the power to lower blood sugar, prevent kidney stones, reduce blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Lime. Limes contain vitamin C and flavonoids that was known to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation and strengthen skin collagen. Limes are rich in potassium, calcium, magnesium, and various vitamins. Limes may help with your digestion and your weight loss, plus it can lower blood sugar levels, and improves immune function. Lime also has a specific nutrient called limonins may help control cholesterol levels and improve your heart health. Ginger. Ginger contains phytochemicals such as gingerol that has powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antioxidant effects. Plus, ginger has been known to reduce exercise-induced soreness and pain and decrease blood sugar levels and risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Mint. Mint is rich in vitamin A, iron, and other nutrients. Plus, mint helps to alleviate indigestion and soothe your digestive tract. Ingredients for mint lime detox smoothie: 4 leaves iceberg lettuce, 1 tablespoon fresh mint leaves, 1 lime, 1½ cups coconut water, 1½ cups ice cubes, natural sweetener. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.